Hey guys, in this video we are going to review Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is an online tool that helps developers easily create and test apps using Google AI models, especially the Gemini models. It provides a simple interface for trying out AI features before moving to larger cloud platforms. It is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that helps developers create and test AI applications quickly. To use Google AI Studio, sign in with your Google account. Then, choose a Gemini AI model and enter prompts to get output. You can test ideas directly in the platform, export code for integration, or use an API key to connect to your applications. For larger projects, you can scale through Google Cloud's Vertex AI. One of its main advantages is that it can export code in different programming languages like Python, making it simple to add AI features to existing apps. The platform is designed for both beginners and experts, offering a free plan for experimenting without cost. The stream is a live area where the AI generates responses or media in real time as you input prompts. The Generate Media feature provides options to create images, text, or other types of media, depending on the AI model you have selected. The dashboard controls give you quick access to your history and output management, allowing you to track prompts, results, or adjust parameters. It also includes advanced options like using Google Search for real-time information. However, data from the free plan may be used to train AI models, raising privacy concerns unless a paid plan is used. It only supports Google's AI models, which limits flexibility for some users. Users must learn prompt writing and AI behavior to use it effectively. Overall, Google AI Studio is a powerful platform for learning and creating innovative generative AI prototypes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.